Hello, my name is Ashley Crane and I'm the Sales Manager for Quantum Design UK and Ireland. It's my pleasure today to introduce Keela from Specim, who will talk to you about the portable, handheld, hyperspectral imaging camera, the Specim IQ. But first a word about quantum design. We're a global lab equipment manufacturer, but also a hybrid scientific equipment distributor with subsidiaries in every major technological centre around the world. We've been in business for 35 plus years and have a lot of highly experienced and knowledgeable people, and we're eager to know more about how we can help you. But without further ado, here's Keela about the Specim IQ.
Hi, and welcome to the first video of the Specim IQ tutorial series. I'm Keela from Specim, and in this tutorial I will introduce you to the Specim IQ and explain its different components, parts and functions. Let's get started. Weighing only 1.3 kilos, the Specim IQ is a fully portable, battery-operated hyperspectral camera, which is based on a line scan hyperspectral imager. The package contains all of the required components to perform the data measurement and analyze and visualize the data. The housing of the Specim IQ is made of thermal polymer. You can clean the housing with alcohol when required. The device itself has three cameras: the actual spectral camera, a viewfinder camera to help in position the camera and capture a color image of the recording scene, and finally a third camera looking through the front objective to help in focusing the system, which is sometimes an issue with hyperspectral cameras. The 5-megapixel viewfinder camera has an autofocus functionality. The spectral camera and the focus camera, which look through the front objective, must be manually focused by rotating the fore objective. The lens can be focused from any distance between 10 centimeters to infinity, and it has a 40-degree field of view. The measurement line of the hyperspectral camera is in a vertical position, and during a scan it moves from right to left. Currently there is only one fore objective available for the Specim IQ. Data is recorded into a standard replaceable SD card. IQ supports SD cards up to 32 gigabytes. With one fully charged battery and an empty 32 gigabyte card, you can take over 100 measurements. The camera is operated by using a standard battery, which can be charged using the separate charger found in your sales box. The standby time for a fully charged battery is approximately 1 day. You can also operate the camera using an external power source, which is not included in the standard sales box. An USB connection can be used to connect your IQ to the PC and upload images to the accompanying IQ Studio software. In IQ Studio, you can also modify the settings of a connected device. IQ has physical buttons for starting the recording and controlling the camera. The custom buttons located here have changing functions according to the view. On top of IQ, there is an orange 2-stage shutter button to enter the data recording settings and start the data recording. IQ's 4.3-inch touchscreen can be used to adjust both camera and recording settings, and it can be operated using standard laboratory gloves. However, the usability has been designed in such a way that you can complete the whole data recording procedure by using only the physical buttons located on the IQ. On bottom of IQ, you can find a standard 3/8-inch thread to mount the camera onto a tripod. You can also find additional guidance holes if another type of mounting is required for the camera or its accessories. On top of IQ, you can find positions to attach a neck strap if you want to transport your IQ more securely. Apart from the focusing ring and the physical buttons, IQ has no external moving parts. All of the movement required to perform a scan using a line scan hyperspectral imager is performed inside the IQ, so you can use IQ just like a normal camera. In addition to the camera features, the Specim IQ has an inbuilt GPS system. When making outdoor measurements, the GPS coordinates can be included into each dataset if so required. In addition to the camera, the Specim IQ has been designed with accompanying Specim IQ Studio software. This software will be introduced in another tutorial. In this video, I introduced you the physical properties of the Specim IQ. In the next tutorial, we will go over the system software of the camera. If you found this video useful, do give it a like, and please subscribe to the Specim Spectral YouTube channel to follow our tutorial series on the Specim IQ. See you in the next video.